What a beautiful historic building. This is the Fort Andross and Cabot building. CABOT 1891, 1834, and 1891, two different dates. A very iconic building as you're entering Brunswick. I've actually always wanted to stop here and take a look around, so here I am. They have since repurposed the fort into all of these little shops and businesses you see here. I'll throw out a few names. Mill, looks like a flea market over there. Cumberland Self-Storage. Then you have an antique store right here, and Bangkok Garden. So I think it's a restaurant. And then something else over here. I think it might be like a martial arts studio. Or some real estate office. Two both very different things. I'm not sure how I got that mixed up, but I did see a martial arts sign kind of near the rear as I was walking up. Anyway, yeah, look at this place. I really like this tree here. So let's take a look over on this side. Look at the old antique store. That's awesome. Cabot Mill Antiques. There we go. Looks like it's 4 stories high. Maybe 5 if you throw in the basement. Maybe 6 if there's an attic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6 at least that are visible. 6 stories, including the attic. I don't know. There probably is a basement. I think there's a subfloor. That's so cool. There's a dragonfly right there. You can get a close up of him. Hi, dragonfly. Dave the dragonfly. Call you Dave. Bye, Dave. All right. I think I'm gonna wrap it up and try to get a good screen capture, a good screenshot for the video. It might have to be like something like this. Or this, or this. Heck, they could all be good screenshots. I'll see y'all later, guys.